congratulations. We used to say, FM Cloud, we are proud of.
And we're going to the TV studio for the interview. TV. We have a TV.
I'm excited to see the TV.
We discussed about the TV. These are the kids who are doing everything on TV. Post-production, graphics.
Mamaland. Leo mimi nina furaha kwanza kumuona Mupao live, tuko naye na tunaongea naye mambo kadha kadha. Mupao, Koffi Olomide.
Yes.
I would like to say welcome back.
Thank you, Ben.
Because I think it's not your first time to be here in,
No.
in Tanzania, especially in that time.
No. This time is perhaps the seventh time.
Oh.
Yeah.
Seventh time?
6th or 7th time, yes.
So how
I come in Dar es Salaam for my job.
Okay.
To perform, yes.
Okay.
How do you feel to be here again?
Happy.
Happy.
Very, very happy. How can someone not be happy being in Dar es Salaam?
You are now a Tanzanian too. 7 times is no joke.
Yes, of course.
The last time I was here, only Cloud FM, the radio, not the TV. That's why the first thing I wanted to say is congratulations to you, to Joseph Kusaga, to everybody here. This TV is famous. I hear about it.
Thank you very much.
But now I'm here, live. I'm very, very happy and continues work hard and strong and more to make it bigger.
You are here alone. I see. You are here with your full squad? I mean.
Yes, my band, Quartier Latin International Band, is here. Cindy Leclerc is around. We are excited to meet, to face the public tomorrow for this event, for this show, for my coming back in Tanzania. I'm very, very happy, really.
Mamaland.
My question is did you come with the same band that you came with last time?
No, many things changed. Cindy Leclerc is the star #1 today in Congo.
Okay.
Nobody is stronger than her. He's here. And many young, very good singer with me. Okay. The only old thing is me in the band.
So the whole band is, you've transformed it?
No, I have like 5 old guys, experienced.
Okay.
But many young, designed like him.
Like Ben, like Ben.
No, like him.
So,
I hear that they call you Zachary.
Zachary,
why? For what?
I don't know.
You are younger.
Ask
you are younger.
Of course, I don't know. They call me
Aspect. You
Aspect, maybe Aspect toujours.
Aspect toujours.
Huh?
Where are you from?
I'm from here in Tanzania.
North America?
No, not America.
Okay. Not British?
Don't British.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Tanzanian.
Okay.
Where is Chipoi, your number 1 rapper?
Ooh, we have a younger rapper.
Yep.
Stronger. Amuli. You will face him tomorrow. And there is another one, Ordinateur. And also Cindy Leclerc rap also. Asomba tuku tuku. That's Cindy Leclerc who raps. You see, we change things.
Mamaland.
I heard
That?
a rumor?
A rumor?
She said gossip?
Yes.
That there's beef between you and Felix Wazekwa.
No. There is nothing.
Really?
Nothing.
You sure?
No, I don't have time for small problems. No,
Small
no,
talk.
no. I have too much. I come from Angola. Yesterday, I was in Angola.
Okay.
I arrived in Kinshasa, I crossed Nairobi, Dar es Salaam. 3 shows in Angola. Before Angola, I was in Abidjan,
Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire.
Ivory Coast. Before Abidjan, I was in Bangui, Central Africa.
Central.
And I'm working at the studio. I had no time. My time, if I have free time for my family, Mourinho. Have you heard about my son, Mourinho? Del Pirlo Mourinho?
Del Pirlo Mourinho.
The one Ben spoke about?
Yeah, I heard him sing.
My son, he's in Paris, arriving in Kinshasa next Tuesday for Christmas. I don't have time.
Baba Mourinho.
And there is no Papa Mourinho.
Papa Mourinho. Why did you call him Papa Mourinho?
Because I like Mourinho.
Mourinho, coach.
The coach.
And what about Del Piero?
Del
Because
Piero,
we know Del Piero is...
Del Pirlo is Mourinho. Del Pirlo Mourinho.
Del
It
Piero.
is the same.
Oh, it's
The
the
same.
whole name.
The whole name
Also,
Del
we know
Pirlo
Del Piero
Mourinho.
is the...
No, not Del Piero. Del
The player
Pirlo.
from
Del
Italy.
Pirlo.
Del Piero.
Pirlo.
Piero.
Oh yes.
Is that Italian?
Yes, from Italy. From Italy.
Okay.
Yes.
Mamaland. Kofi, you are a legend. So
Thank
I want
you.
to know, for the benefit of our viewers and musicians from Tanzania here, what can we do to improve our music? I mean, to be known all over Africa and the rest.
We need to don't have complex. First thing, to believe in ourselves. To believe in ourselves. But me, I appreciate. I've heard sometimes in a festival in Africa, Tanzanian musician. I used to know a lady singing, a girl singing, but the name I forget very well. Very well. The thing is to believe in ourselves, to don't be complexed by British, by American, by Congolese, by Ivorian, to be ourselves and to do what we have to do correctly.
Mamaland.